right, in the club, I'm dancing so right, stadium, I told them, don't.
You 19, I'm 18. Yeah, I know we friends, but I'm trying to intervene. Can't tell the truth, cause my feelings in between. Trying to work it out, everything ain't what it seems. So ambitious, you inspired all my dreams. Friends with benefits, I don't know what that means. All I know is love, and I show up. We can talk all day, but that's not enough. I know things rough, but that's how it is. We can start a family, I never said kids. Love your attitude and the way how you walk. Face paint my feelings every time that I talk. Do you love it when I say that you made my day? If it ain't you, then it's no way. I'm the nicest so far, that's all you gotta say. It's only been a week and I pray that you stay. Yeah, I know we friends, but I'm trying to intervene. Can't tell the truth, cause my feelings in between. Trying to work it out, everything ain't what it seems. So ambitious, you inspired all my dreams. Yeah, I know we friends, but I'm trying to intervene. Can't tell the truth, cause my feelings in between. Trying to work it out, everything ain't what it seems. So ambitious, you inspired all my dreams. I know you got dreams that you reaching for. If you make it rain, then I can make it pour. You got a lot of ideas to open up a store. You can be my major and I'll be your mentor. I show you a little more, it's all about me. I know you feeling bored, so just call me. Eating strawberries while I drink coffee. Feeling ironic, but it's all friendly. Call me supersonic and you just direct me. Crash into your feelings and I do it deadly. And if it was a habit, then I do it daily. If we made kids, would you show your belly? And if it was a girl, would you name her Haley? And if you was a car, then you'd be my Bentley. But then again, you're not. You're something so hot. You're hotter than the sun when you take the moon spot. Then my name Louis and I'm coming from the top. Regardless what they say, my nigga, I'm self-made. You all up in the clinic trying to get some first aid. No bragging rights, so I'm staying in the shade. Bottles of Patron, couple J's getting blazed. Either OG Kush or that granddaddy Haze. Remember all them days and J's I just faced. Running late to school, I never followed the rules. Start skipping class to not going to school. Dropped out of school, so they thought I was a fool. Start selling drugs, cause his money had to move. Running from the boys, snitching niggas was my cue. Had to do what I do, what these niggas ain't do. You couldn't even walk a half a mile in my shoe. You get the fucking picture, I put the shit in description. Survival of the fittest was my everyday addiction. But I grew different, something like a gift to earth that got rebirth. Yeah, I know this life it hurts, and who am I to give blame when you feeling the pain? What goes around comes around, so the shit is the same. The only thing to change how you live in this game. You can cheat it all out till you run in your mouth, until you had SWAT team just running your house. And fuck that, I'm over that, but they called me slipping. Wasn't me the whole time, so I know you tripping. Weed and cocaine, man, that's far from different. Honestly, when they came, I was smoking my weed, and when they smelled my weed, I said, yeah, it was me. And come to find out, it wasn't for me. Sat down thinking crazy, like who could it be? My oldest brother stepped out like 2:45, and fuck it. And that's an everyday struggle, but I'm trying to intervene. Can't tell the truth, cause my feelings in between. Trying to work it out, everything ain't what it seems. So ambitious, you inspired all my dreams. Yeah, I know we friends, but I'm trying to intervene. Can't tell the truth, cause my feelings in between. Trying to work it out, everything ain't what it seems. So ambitious, you inspired all my dreams.